My name is Dawn, and we just had Dailey replace 18 of our original aluminum windows. We had to have this job done to our home. Our windows were original, as I stated. They're over 40 years old. They were no longer energy efficient and were no longer functioning properly. So I actually came across Dailey Manufacturing kind of in a roundabout way. I had been researching different manufacturers and window lines and became interested in the Provia Aspect line, specifically for its energy efficiency as well as its thin profile, which is difficult to find. We researched who in our area was dealing in Provia windows, and we actually came across a video that Dailey had done talking specifically about Provia windows, and at the end they gave a little blip that they had a showroom that was local to us, so we took a ride out and the rest is history. I think, for us it was just going out there, seeing the product, talking with the folks in the showroom. It was clear that through our research they had done over 65 years of window installations, and they were a pro seller for Provia. We were very excited that they knew a thing or two about installing windows. Yeah, the Dailey team's been great, very easygoing, very non-pressured from a sales perspective. There was always somebody available at any time we called to get a quick answer, or they were very helpful in understanding what we wanted from our project and really offered suggestions and guidance. We're very excited so far. We haven't seen an electric bill, but immediately we noticed, obviously the windows were very old, but we noticed how quiet it is in our home, as well as the fact that we have a skylight at the top of our second floor stairs, and there's usually a 10-degree difference in temperature from the first floor to the second floor, and that's clearly gone. So like I said, we're excited to see our electric bill. Yeah, definitely give them a call. They've got great experience. They know what they're doing. They're local to our area. They work a lot on referral, and I'm sure that you will be as satisfied as we've been.